Capricorn, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH. At ito ang inyong weekly reading for February 17 to 23, 2025. So if you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Paka-check nyo na lang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. And please subscribe to our channel to show your support. Like, share this video at comment na rin kayo kung kayo naka-resonate. And thank you sa mga hindi nagsiskip ng ads. Okay. So, let's begin. Capricorn, what's up? Ano yung ganap sa inyo ngayong week na to? What are the energies coming to Capricorn? Emotional healing. Oh, yung iba sa inyo, maaring you are finally facing your feelings, your emotions, you are embracing your emotions, and you're healing from that. Kasi yung iba sa inyo, maaring hindi nyo hinaharap yung nararamdaman nyo talaga. Let's say, you are feeling down, pero hinahayaan mo lang na maramdaman mo yon, but you're not doing anything about it. Na, kumbaga, minsan parang binabypass mo na yung feelings mo dahil sa tingin mo yun yung magiging balakid, no, para maging functional ka. 'Di ba minsan ganun tayo? So, you are healing from your emotional trauma or anything na nagpabigat ng kalooban mo. Forgiveness, oh my God. O kaya nga siguro meron ditong emotional healing because you are open now for forgiveness. You are forgiving yourself or you are forgiving other people. Mas pinipili mo ngayon na magpatawad at mag-release ng anything that is no longer serving you. Yung mga pinanghahawakan mo pang sama ng loob dyan, nililet go mo na. Kasi alam mo sa sarili mo na hindi yan makakatulong sa'yo to move forward. And this is also about forgiving yourself, no? Pagpapatawad sa sarili mo, doon sa mga past mistakes mo, na ganun talaga, charge to experience and learn from your mistakes. Ganun lang, 'di ba? Mother Earth, so you are now connecting more with nature. So I think this week you will spend more time with nature. Yung iba sa inyo, may mga activities kayo na kung saan kayo ay mag-explore ng mundo or ng paligid ninyo. Iba, mga outdoor activities. So, kung mahilig kayo sa mga outdoor activities or yung iba naman, magsa-start pa lang na lumabas-labas. Oo. So, let's see your overall energy for this week ng mga Caps. Oh, the Hermit. Ayan. You are reassessing your situation. Hindi porket mag-isa malungkot na, 'di ba? I think ngayon marami kang nire-reassess sa buhay mo, pinag-iisipan, kumbaga yung mga naging mistakes mo in the past, you are healing from that. And itong Hermit energy is also being aware, no? Nagkakaroon ka ng awareness sa mga nagawa mo in the past, whether this is good or bad, or whether naging beneficial sa'yo o hindi. So, ngayon, mas alam mo na, no? Nagkakaroon ka na ng wisdom. You are wiser than ever. So, yung iba sa inyo, pwedeng mas magsuspend time kayo alone, dahil mas gusto nyo ng peace of mind, kapayapaan ng isip, 'di ba? So your challenge, okay, ang challenge ninyo, the Six of Swords. Okay, as a challenge, maaring itong pag-move on ninyo ay medyo mahirap para sa inyo kasi syempre, 'di ba, para masabi mong naka-move on ka na, dapat nakapagpatawad ka na. And ito yung kumbaga ito yung pinagdadaanan mo ngayon. You are forgiving yourself, you are forgiving others. And then your opportunity is, 'di ba? Meron kang opportunity to move forward, to move on. Kumbaga yung transition period, yun yung challenging. Pero the moment na ma-overcome mo na yon, tuloy-tuloy na, no? Tuloy-tuloy na yung pag-usad, tuloy-tuloy na yung improvement, yung growth. And I also see you uh, going to a new direction when it comes to any opportunities na dumarating sa buhay mo ngayon. Can be opportunity for relationship, opportunity for a new career, opportunity for a new business. So, you are finally deciding what is best for you. And of course, no, itong the Chariot is about success. So, nandun ka na ngayon sa path of success. And then your blessing, oh my God, the Death card. Ang blessing sa inyo, Capricorn, is the transformation itself. Okay? Yung nagtatapos, mga nagbabago sa buhay mo, at yung mga magsisimula pa lang. So, nandun ka sa proseso na yan. Transition, transformation, metamorphosis. So, I think, andun ka na sa punto na ready ka na isara yung chapter ng buhay mo, no? Na tapos na para sa'yo dahil kumbaga na-realize mo na kung ano yung hindi pwede, ano yung pwede, or ano yung makakabuti, ano yung hindi makakabuti. And now, you are going to a new direction like what I mentioned kanina. Merong new opportunity na nag-open up sa'yo. And this is something new for you to explore. So, maaaring meron kang i-explore this week. What else for Capricorn this week? Oh, moving on na talaga, Capricorn. Oh, life's journey. May new endeavor. Oh my God. May bagong trabaho, bagong business, bagong opportunity, or new beginnings for you. Meron ditong, of course, no, may mga bagay na magbabago sa'yo, meron ding mga hindi magbabago. And yung mga hindi magbabago, yun yung pinipili mo na magsistay para sa'yo. This can be a mindset or a situation or mga bagay sa buhay mo na may value sa'yo. Yes, you are holding things together. You are setting boundaries this time, no? Alam mo kung paano mo didisiplinahin yung sarili mo. You have the discipline that you need for you to be able to achieve success. Yun naman ang importante. Kasi kung meron kang sinet na goal, kailangan mo ng disiplina para magawa mo yun, di ba? Para makapag-take ka ng action. Strength. Take time to make clear decisions, bring awareness and light to the situation. So, yung iba sa inyo, meron talaga kayong decision making na gagawin. This can be a decision sa bagay na tatapusin mo na at sisimulan mo na. No? Oo. So, meron ka ng awareness at kaliwanagan dito sa sitwasyon na to. Okay? So, that is your reading, Capricorn. Thank you so much and see you again.